Hi guys, and welcome back to another session of Fun with Literacy and Learning. I'm Miss Allison, and today we're going to focus more on reading with your toddlers, specifically on actually getting involved and engaged with the books. Did you know that when babies and toddlers are engaged and enjoying themselves with books, then it's learning. It's actually learning. When children have positive interactions with books, it helps them to develop a better attitude and motivation towards reading. Now, it's important when you're reading books with your toddler to let them turn the pages. So they may not be able to turn every individual page, but if they are able to grab even 2 at a time or 3 at a time, that's perfectly okay. Younger toddlers may not be able to turn individual pages, but older children and older toddlers should be able to do that by themselves. Also, it's important to make the books personal, such as this book here. If you connect it with your everyday life, then it makes it more meaningful. This book here is called All Buckled Up. And notice here that this baby is in a stroller and looks like he's going somewhere. So you can discuss with your child maybe when they're put in a stroller and they go on trips sometimes. Or this book here looks like a sick day for Amos McGee. You could talk about a time when they were sick and they didn't feel well. And this just allows for engagement, relationships, and they're developing their language as well. Now, when we're talking about this though, it's important to explain the covers of the book. This book here, like we said, is about a baby in a stroller. And you can discuss the title with them as well and ask your child, what might this book be about? That also encourages language. And you can even go one step further and ask them about the different letters. See if they notice any that they might possibly see in their name. So it helps them to begin to learn how to spell their name as well as learn the other letters of the alphabet. And these are just some small ways that you can get engaged with your child with reading and help them to develop their language skills as well while they're reading.